Hey guys, welcome back to video number 5. Alright, so it's video number 5 already. Today what you're going to be learning is the editable splines, alright, which is shape tools. So let's start. Alright, so the where you can get is over here under in the command panel, under create, and then you choose, instead of geometry, which you can access the primitive that I've shown you before, you can also go to the go to the shapes. Now, so shapes allow you to choose whichever you want here, but usually in later on we will be using the lines, so I'm not going to show all of this. You can try that out. Right, so just the lines, that's essentially later on. And I can turn on the snap tool, but this time I will right click on the snap tools and enable vertex and the grid points at the grid. Okay, click OK. So, and make sure you turn that on, turn the snap on. So what you can do is you can draw a straight line, so like this, let's say, right? So things like this is what you can do. And if you go back to the original, it will ask you want a close spline, and then click yes. Alright, so I'm going to turn the grid off, I mean the snap off, and I turn the line off. So just right click here. Alright, so what's the line actually? It's actually at the grid there. I can hide the grid by hitting the G key. So now I can actually see the line. Alright, I can also select the line and just use the move tool and then just move it up a bit. Alright, now this is something similar in AutoCAD. Alright, like polyline. Okay, you always use polyline for if you want to basically have a nice conversion from AutoCAD to 3D Studio Max, so that it is not just a separated line, it's actually a conform line that is combined together, so that you can actually build. Imagine, like for example, this is the floor. I can actually make this floor into 3D, alright, by going to my modify here. So right now you see this line here. I can right click at it, at the line, convert to editable spline. Okay, this will actually let me if I want to move the points, I can select that vertex and actually move it. Alright, this allows you to do that. Segments, which is the edge actually. Spline is the whole thing that is linked together. Alright, so that's the element of that, the editable spline. But if you want to make this into a 3D, you can make sure you go back all the way up to line, which is gray color here, not inside the elements. And while you're at that level, you see the modifier list. If you click here, you can access a lot of modifiers. Alright, and the modifier that we want is extrude. You will find extrude over here. There. Alright, so click that. So the modifiers of extrude will apply on top of the line, and there's a light bulb here. You can click to switch off the effect and turn it on. And what you can do now is, right now it's still not, there's no thickness to it, but there's already a volume of the polygon face here. So you can increase the amount. Let's say the floor is maybe 350 millimeters thick. You can hit 350 and enter, and there you go. That's your floor. It's quite thick, right? Yeah, depending on your measurement. Just an example, right? This is just an example. All right, so you get your floor that you can work with. Okay, so a modifier is very powerful. It has a lot, but I will show you one or two in order for the purpose of your interior design work. All right, so that's about it. So I see you in the next video. Bye bye.